Sentry, Toyo or other big brand hardware you are available here at fair price and rates. So come to Akash Hardware and give your house an attractive look.
If you recall that this matter was discussed in the assembly, and I have given my commitment in the assembly that we will be forming a committee to examine this entire demand that is there, and based on that commitment made on the floor of the House, the assurance that I had given, it's on basis of that we have formed this committee, and we will examine the matter. Political parties will be there. There will be stakeholders from different regions and organizations, and we will fix the date shortly. Right now, of course, we have a lot of things happening, so as soon as maybe after this entire process of the financial year just ended, and so as soon as things settle down a bit, we will call the meeting as early as possible. So yeah, it'll happen soon.
And what about railways, all party meeting on railways?
Yeah, again, not an all party meeting, but a committee. So as given assurance again in the House, a committee is being formed for the looking into the matters related to the establishment of railways in the state of Meghalaya, more particularly in Barnihat and Shillong, and other parts of the state also. And as mentioned in the House, that it will be good to bring all the stakeholders, all the political parties, and thrash out all the issues. Just recently, Government of India has written to us for transferring back the money meant for the land acquisition, which was meant for Khasi Hills, mainly Shillong, and the entire route. And just to inform you that we have already started the process of returning that money. That process has started. So that money should be sent back very soon to Government of India. So that also has started. But while that happens, I still would wish to see that we are able to bring everybody together, and would like to amicably, and by taking everybody on board, find a way forward on what will be the best way to bring in developments like these. Because from the economic point of view, from the farmers' point of view, from the overall transportation of goods point of view, it's something that would be very important for the future of the state.
Can you tell us